So we are here at one of my favorite places, the hot springs in Zunil, in Chela. It's an amazing place. It's like stepping back in time. It reminds me of Jurassic Park. You'll you'll understand what I mean when we start touring and looking around. It's like absolutely like wow. Look, I mean, look at these trees and these plants. Humongous. We're like way up in the heavens, like high, reaching the sky. We're like so far up. The only thing is it's very cold here, so when you come here, you have to, wear a jacket or a sweater, even though the sun is hot, it's out, but it's pretty chilly up here. So let's continue on. We're gonna go to the hot springs right now, the Volcanic hot springs. We're gonna head up, hike, and just enjoy the scenery.
The admission fee was 145 quetzales for 3 people. And I'll put it on the description what the equivalent in dollars is.
Yes. Alrighty then. See you later. So this is what we came here for. We came here for the hot springs here, the volcanic hot springs. As you can see, it's extremely hot and it's soothing. It's, oh my God, it's just amazing. We had to do a little hike coming up to this point, but look at how amazing this place is. Again, I don't know how hot it is, but as you can see from the smoke, it's extremely, extremely hot. And this is our second time coming here because it's like a 3-hour drive to get here. But it's worth it. We're gonna take a dip in a little bit, warm up our bones. Because again, it's extremely cold out here because we're high up in the mountains. And once you get in the warm water, you feel a lot better. So, yay. So, I'm enjoying a nice dip in this volcanic. Oh my goodness, I can't even speak. I'm having so much fun. So we're at the hot springs and I am enjoying a nice soothing soak. If you just, oh my God, you could just see the smoke coming out of here. It's so amazing. Again, it's like freezing outside of this hot spring here, but inside you're like, oh my God, it's like a nice warm, really a nice hot bath in the middle of the jungles. I mean, just look at the surrounding. We're just surrounded by trees. I don't even know the elevation up here. It's just we're very, very high up. We'll have to find out what the elevation is when we get back so we could give you that information because we're extremely all the way up. And again, it's so, so refreshing here. We're gonna go a little bit deeper. The deeper you go, the warmer the water gets. Over here, it's like lukewarm. As you get further closer to the rocks over there, it gets a little bit warmer. And that's why.
It is also believed that these thermal waters are healing.
Yes. The locals believe that this water is healing, which I could attest to. I remember the first time I came here, I was experiencing pain, on my side, and I spent about an hour in here, and for like maybe 9 months I didn't have any pain, but that's my testimony. And we'll see what happens this time around. I'm gonna spend another hour soaking up all of this medicinal volcanic water and enjoy Again, the closer you get to the rocks, the warmer it is. Woo! And the rocks It's even warm. But, you know, it's relaxing, soothing, very, very warm, very, very soothing. And my husband and I always say that I think I'm the only Garifuna who ever been here. But if you're a Garifuna person out there who's ever been here, please let us know. Because I try to go like to the most interesting places that, you know, just to show you the little part of Guatemala that I love. Again, I've been traveling to Guatemala for over 23 years, and we try to take you to different places off the beaten path where a lot of people may not go. Again, it was about a 3-hour drive to get here, but it's worth it. I love it, and second time being here, and I look forward to coming back again. And I hope you enjoyed this footage and this beautiful place that I love. So we're getting to the one of 3 hot springs. This is the major one over there. That's the biggest one. And there's the small one over there. This one over here is a lot cooler. It's a lot warmer. It's not too hot. If you don't like the heat, this is perhaps the best one for you. You won't feel like you're getting cooked in a stew pot like over there. Over there, all you need is some tomatoes and stuff to stew me. But over here is really comfortable and warm. Another beautiful scenery. We're just in the middle. And again, this one is a lot more comfortable, a lot more tolerable. You know, you're just relaxed here. You know, you could kind of sit in here. It's like sitting in a jacuzzi. This is what the temperature of this water feels like. Over there, we see the open bathroom, lobster water comes in the field in this area. So again, it's like temperature of a jacuzzi. You know, nice and warm. You know, very tolerable. You know, and just relaxing. So we're heading to another part. This is a newly added hot spring. This is the 4th one. I've never been here before, so I'm looking forward to dip it in. Let's see what it looks like. It's a smaller one. It looks inviting.
Cleaner.
Much cleaner.
Cleaner as far as the clarity of the water, because I don't see a lot of steam.
Oh, actually, there's 2 down here. Yeah, so discovering something new. We are here in the new one. This one is all new. I've never been here before. I've only been to the other side where we were at initially. There's 2 more spas over here. This one is quite deep. I'm 5'3" and it's like all the way up to my neck. As you can see, it's all the way up to my chin. I'm a little shorty, so yeah, this is for like taller people, not for me, but it's pleasant. It's extremely warm. It feels good over here. As you can see, wow, it's just amazing. It feels good. Now that I've gathered my bearings, I have my footing. I don't feel like I'm about to drown or anything, so now I feel much comfortable. Oh my God, I'm on my tippy toes. I made it to the other side. This is actually not that deep. The other side was much deeper. I'm able to stand up comfortable over here. It's very, very comfortable. It's not that hot. I actually thought it was going to be warmer on this side closer to the rocks, but it's actually comfortable. I love it. And wow, again, if you're ever, I mean, look at how beautiful this water is and look at how clear, crystal clear. You can see it's so beautiful. I mean, I'm just in total awe. I love this place. Again, this is my second time visiting this particular place. I've never been to this side of the sauna. This is all new. But again, this is my hideaway. I love coming here. You know, it's worth the 3-hour drive that it took us to get here. I just absolutely love it. And I hope you're enjoying the footage, and I hope one day you have the opportunity to come here. Yay!